Okay, so in general, an infographic is to supply the reader with a brief, concise, and visually pleasing way to present information and data or evidence. So you need nice big titles, and the titles need to fit into each section appropriately. So you need to find a format that will allow for a nice big title that has the claim that there was a hero that faced challenges. So this is your claim that this person's a hero and that they face challenges. One section has to be about that they were a hero, but you and the next section has to have evidence of some of the challenges. Numbers and big letters get people's attention. You want your quotes to be short, brief, and to the point, and just have one piece of evidence each. This is the evidence I have for a hero. She was a hero because of these two things. I put the website source, since both of them come from the same place, right here in italics. It's just the true name of the website. You have to look for the title of the website. It's not a URL. It's not the web address. Same down here. Both these two pieces of evidence came from this one place. And this is that she faced challenges. Now, challenges, I wonder if that's spelled right. Challenges are all about what the hero faced, not what Jewish people were facing, but what challenges did she or he face while they were being a hero. So you have to find evidence. So she, despite bombs going off, despite being in hiding, she still wrote her diary and inspired others. So then the first analysis section, so you need an analysis of all four pieces of evidence, and only this evidence. You cannot bring in new evidence, but you need inferences here. So I bring in just bits and pieces, a few words from here, and I talk about, first you begin with a transition. This is cause and effect. The effect of this evidence causes us to understand that she's a hero, although we do not use the word us or me or my, because this is formal style, and in your analysis, you may not have any contractions. So I begin with a transition word for cause and effect, which I put in the original assignment. So despite the challenges of bombs going off, bombs are here, she must have felt anxiety. That is my inference, but she continued to write. She also had anxiety for being in hiding. They said she remained optimistic and selfless and strong, so that means she must have been brave. Those are inferences that I make based on these facts and evidence that are quoted and cited. Then I have to analyze the sources to make sure that it is a credible source. Wikipedia is not a credible source. This comes from the CRAAP model, where it talks about authors being relevant and purpose. I have these three words, and then I have part of the what about the author? Well, it needs to be an expert to be credible. What does relevant mean? It means that they're knowledgeable. What does purpose mean? It means that it's to inform, and relevant also means that it has to do with heroes, and the site specializes in talking about heroes or etc. At the very end, you put the .com or .org, just the web address, not the URLs. Remember, this is short and to the point. And then you have nice images that relate to your topic. So this is Anne Frank. This is where she was in hiding. This is a picture of her with her diary.